Today we're going to remove the aftermarket immobilizer on my Mark III Golf. This thing is a pain in the arse, so it's about time we get rid of it. This is how we're going to do it. Let's get into it, shall we? Okay, see this thing here? See this flashing light right there? My car, because it's morning, it'll probably start. My car, right, when I get in it, I put the key in, and when I go to start it, this, look, you notice now, that is now flashing really fast, right? Car starts fine. Yep, car starts fine. But if I'm to pull up, so it's still flashing really fast, right? If I'm to pull up in a petrol station, and I get out of the car, go in, pay for petrol, come out, go to start it, nothing happens. It just, the dash lights come on, but the starter motor doesn't engage. So I'm assuming this thing here, there's no key fob involved in this though, which is weird, but this thing here, whenever this light flashes really fast, sometimes it lets me start the car, sometimes it doesn't let me start the car. So anyway, it's really winding me up. So today we're going to see if we can trace where that module is and see if we can remove the immobilizer. I'm hoping that this immobilizer system is just a case of it switching into, not switching in, they've cut into the wires that go to the starter motor, and that's what it is. It's a starter motor immobilizer. So hoping that I'm going to find under the dash somewhere a little module with some wires going off to some cut wires, a power wire and some earth wires. I'm guessing for this period of car it's probably going to be a Sigma or something silly like that, which are a pain in the ass. But let's get into this. Let's see if I can find this bloody thing. Right, down here, don't mind the mess. I don't know what this rubbish is. Right, down here, I've already taken off this panel here. I need to take the keys out a minute. I've already taken off this clip-on panel here, which lets me see these screws. So there's the screw there. There should be another one over here. There's a screw there. Oh, there's a screw missing. Oh, that's loose. So hopefully, there's a screw there. So if I undo that screw, there's not many screws holding this in, and the screw down there, I should be able to get this off to have a look underneath. So let's get into it.
One pair of pants later.
Okay, panel is now off, and there's just a really big bit of metal where it should be. Oh, that's helpful. That's really helpful. That's great. Let's have a look what we got up here. We got some wires right here. Bloody hell, look at that. That's like a loose wire there. What have we got up here? We got, aha! What is that? Sigma. What did I tell you? Sigma. Right. Right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where does this go? Please don't go into the back of the fuse box. Oh, does it go into the back of the fuse box? Oh my god. Oh, I was hoping this was just going to be an ignition one, but it seems to go into the fuse box. Oh, what the hell? Oh man, what the hell? Oh. I was hoping this was just going to be one that went into the ignition cabling under the steering wheel, but it's not. And I'm no wiring expert. Oh no, this is worse. This is worst case scenario for me. There's a lot of wiring here, isn't there? But in theory, two of these wires you could probably put together and they would make the circuit work, but I don't know which ones they are. Oh man, this is a pain in the arse. Proper pain in the arse. Where do you even start with this? So that is going, where's that going? Oh wow, this is a fuse box job. If it wasn't for this metal plate, I could bloody see behind. Wow, I was not expecting it to be like this. Well, I was expecting it to be like this, but I was not expecting it to go straight to the fuse box, which is a pain in the bum. Damn. unless it does go up here. So let's trace some of these wires. Right, where does that one go? Is it going to the fuse box, or is it just going behind the fuse box? They do all seem to be going to the fuse box. Wow. Okay. These ones seem to be going into here. Uh-oh, it's not starting. Oh no, what have I done? Oh shit. I've messed with it and it's not starting. As you can see, that light is flashing really fast. And when I try and start it, oh, it's working now. It's working now. What the hell? What is going on? Doesn't make any sense. That light's flashing and it started, but it didn't a minute ago. What is happening? Right, so this light's flashing. In a minute it will stop flashing. Right, so for now, right, let's just wait for that to stop flashing and see if it still starts.
One eternity later.
You can stop flashing. Right, that's stopped flashing now. That's a slow flash. Let's see if it starts. Oh, it's flashing fast. See, it starts again. I don't understand. I don't understand. I was hoping this was going to be a case of getting under the dash. There's two wires that go to a cut wire, which I did it on the Passat, I did it on the T4. There's a cut wire that went into the under the ignition, where they just cut an ignition wire to the starter motor, and all I had to do was cut the wire out and rejoin the wires. That's what I thought I was going to find here, but no. All them wires are almost impossible to get to, and they seem to go to the back of the circuit, the fuse board. That's one thing. I can do the basic wiring. I can see when a wire's cut and where it's been spliced into, and I can see where I've got to rejoin it. But when all the wires are in a bundle and they go into the back of the fuse board, I ain't got a clue. I think I'm just going to see why the car's running. Let's pull this back down and see if I can just. I mean, what are these two wires? What are these two broken wires? Oh, what did I do then? The car shut off. Uh-oh, there's no light at all now. Oh shit, what have I done? Oh shit, what have I done? Uh-oh. I have no dash lights either. Oh shit. Uh-oh, hang on.
One pair of pants later.
I don't know what I did there. I touched something, literally the back of the circuit board, and pushed it, and it came back to life. There's definitely some serious wiring problems behind this circuit board that could leave me stranded at any time.
A few moments later.
Okay, I feel like I've got somewhere. Right, I've got somewhere. Right, here's the immobilizer, right? And if I try and start it, you know what, it'll make me look stupid now and actually start. Right, there you go. If I wiggle some of these wires around, and if it's up here, what is up here? There's a wire up here. Okay, and there's a wire here. There's a wire there. There's a loose wire. There is a loose wire. If I try and stop that now, that bloody works now. There's a loose wire somewhere in this immobilizer. It's so annoying. Thinking I want to take this apart and see if I can bypass it. Right, I want to take some of this tape off and see if I can bypass this thing. Bear with me. It's still going to start. No, oh, it's not starting. Okay, it's not starting. There we go, nothing's happening. So, there's a loose wire somewhere. If I mess with this, will that change anything? No. So if I mess with that, All I did was move it. Nope. So let me set this up here, and I'm going to see what I mess with. I'm going to hold the ignition on, so it's trying to start the engine, and then I'll touch some things. See what happens. There, not there, not there, not there, not there, not there. Here, up here. That was up here. That's the back of the fuse board. That's the back of the fuse box. That's where the loose wire is. Loose wire's at the back of the bloody fuse box. I just found the one that nearly made it cut off. Oh. Oh. There it is. There's a loose clip. The clip was out. The clip was out. No way. No way. I just put my hand up the back of the fuse box, and one of the clips, you know, the main clips the wires go into, that you click in with a little plug. I put my hand up there, and I could feel it moving, and the engine was going on and off, trying to start or not start. And it's in the same location that when I touched the wire, the starter wasn't working properly. I just pushed it and it clicked into place. A plug was out. A bloody plug was out. If that's just fixed the immobilizer problem as well, a plug was loose. Oh my god. Oh my god. A plug. Let me just check. Yeah. Right, let's mess around with this. Let's shove that back up there. Let's get that in a nice spot where it's not going to fall out when I'm driving and be annoying. Let's shove you up there. Get up there. Why won't it go up anymore? There we go. That's right up there. Right. Ignition. Car starts. Off. Back on. Ignition. I think it was a plug. I didn't touch that. It wasn't nothing to do with me. I think that was a plug. That could have been the whole problem. I could have just fixed the car with a simple plug. We'll have to see. I have to take it for a drive at some other point. But for now, let's fingers crossed that that's that. And I fixed it by pushing a plug in the back of a fuse board that wasn't in properly. We'll have to wait and see, won't we? But anyway, that's that. That was a lot easier than I thought. If this works now and the immobilizer doesn't keep cutting out, there's no reason for me to take the immobilizer off. It's fine. So fingers crossed, people, fingers crossed. Right. Okay. Put the car back together. You don't need to see that. Don't know if that was a good video or not, but it is what it is. Right. I'm going to do another video tomorrow. I'll put in the BBS wheels from that on here. So look out for that one. Anyway, peeps. Hopefully that's just fixed the problem. See you in the next one.